Hello, thank you for joining me again on another video. I'm Nick the Tool and I'm here to show you some product demonstrations on some of the Snap-on product that's available for you to buy. All our tools are designed to make your life more easier in the workshop, so less struggling enables you to work a bit faster and enjoy your job even more. So the product I've got to show you today is the Allen keys and Torx keys, which are in the new design. So we've changed the profile of these keys. So the keys are slightly shorter. You've got a different design handle which is designed to fit a lot more comfortable, and we've put more keys onto the handle as well. So you now have, on the standard Allen key set, we go from 1.5mm right the way through up to 10mm. This would have been previously in two different products, so now you can get those all into one tool. These are a quality key, and if you were to damage a key through wear and tear, you can actually unbolt these and bolt in a new key. So the tool should last you forever. So that's the first one to show you, which is designed for standard Allen key. We also have the same configuration covering from 1.5 through to 10mm in ball ended. So these are going to give you 15 to 18% more angle to enable you to get into some of those tighter spaces. And then in the new design grip, we've also moved into Torx keys. Now these are slightly different. I'll just pull one of these out to show you. If I put that against my hand, you can probably see the profile is a little bit unusual. That is because these are ball-ended Torx keys. So these keys will again give you 15 to 18% more access. So you're going to be able to use these in a tighter environment, and they're fully loaded with keys. So you've got 11 different keys on here, from a Torx 8 all the way right through to a Torx 50 in one tool. So these can be nice, particularly if you're a mobile guy. You might be out on your push bike and you want to put something in your little tool bag so you can repair your bike when you're out and about, then that's the perfect product for you. Now if you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to click subscribe down there, and that will enable you to be kept up to date with the videos. If you click the notification bell also, then you'll be informed whenever I load any new videos up. So don't forget to like the video if you like it, and if you'd like to know more information on this product and price, or you want to know availability, just need to jump on a Snap-on truck, find the local Snap-on guy in your area, and he'll be happy to help. I'll see you on the next video.